Okay, where are we on this? This is set for trial.
Yes, Your Honor, to refresh the court's recollection on this particular matter, this is an action for non-payment of rent. We had a trial date set for July 26th. The landlord tried to enter on July 25th and was refused entry. We came to court, all of us ready to go forward, and because we were not permitted entry, the court adjourned this to today. The court ordered that the landlord enter on the 28th and the tenant provide a list of repairs. The landlord did enter, even though the power was out on the 28th, was able to fix the garbage disposal, came back on the 31st and the 1st to conduct the other repairs. A list was given on the 28th. It's landlord's position at this point, due to the refusal for entry, that any repairs that were so important are waived, and that the list that was provided on the 28th is relevant and has been completed. It's the landlord's position that has been completed, and we're seeking a judgment of possession for the full amount.
Yes, sir. So since we moved in April, I moved in, there was a massive shower leak, which led to the discovery of mold.
Okay, but hold on a second. I just want to go back to when we were here on the 26th.
Sure. Yes.
You didn't permit them to enter the unit.
Right. They requested to be moved at that time, which was ignored, but they had already been in the unit in June to fix said issues, and they weren't properly fixed. So they
Okay.
a lot of
Okay. You can obfuscate, but listen,
yeah.
You didn't let them in,
Okay.
right?
For one of them.
So then I ordered you to let them in. You let them in. You were to give them a list of things that were to be done. So let's start there. Did those get completed?
Yes.
Okay. So what are we now fighting about?
The fact that the issue was there for 3.5 months since move-in, many issues. We tried to contact them via phone, no response. We tried to contact them via portal, no response. They did come to attempt to fix the issues in June, but they weren't fixed according to the.
Why don't you move?
At this point, I'm just will do the year and then.
Well, I mean, if it's set, why don't you just move?
I would prefer just to stay at this point, but the responsiveness of Harbor One West and all that is horrifying. They don't respond to you at all. And there's been plenty of opportunities to fix the issues and they don't.
So what is now wrong with the unit?
As of currently now, nothing. But for 3.5 months, one of the bedrooms was soaking wet.
Did you pay the rent?
No.
Okay, look, here's the thing. There's how much over?
Your Honor, the total balance is $5,229. The tenant hasn't paid.
Since when? Just,
Sorry.
Excuse me, hasn't paid since when?
Since April 17th. His move-in costs were paid, and then there's not been a payment since then.
And give me that figure again, I'm sorry.
Sure. It's $5,229.68. I did put a copy of the ledger for your.
Yes. So, sir, how much do you think you owe?
When there's mold and there's a
I didn't ask what. I'm just saying, how much do you think you owe?
For until right now, nothing.
Seriously,
been mold.
You think you get 100% abatement?
Okay.
That's not going to happen.
No lessee or licensee shall be obligated to pay rent for any time periods that the lessor or licensee is in violation of this section, which is section 58-122.
58-122
Yes.
of what?
The premises and all common areas are
Of what?
of the municipal code of the city, I guess. What I was given by legal services to reference today.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. To keep the premises in reasonable repair during the term of the lease or license, and to comply with.
Did you read the rest of that? Did you read the rest of that section?
Yes, I did.
You read the whole 58-122? The whole section.
No, I just read.
Did you
section
refer
that-
to the other sections that refers to regarding a certificate of occupancy?
No,
Didn't think you did.
they weren't in compliant for over a month. I mean, I guess I don't understand.
No, I can tell.
Okay.
You gave me one section of a statute or an ordinance.
Okay.
Give me the other sections.
I don't have the other sections, Your Honor.
I didn't think so. Why don't you have the other section?
I wasn't provided them. I was speaking to legal services about this matter over and over again, and they provided me the situations or the procedure.
You want to go call them now, see if you can get the other sections? Because you're just quoting half stuff to me.
Okay.
You want to?
No, Your Honor.
So we can get rid of that. The COC on this building was issued when?
West was the earliest.
I know.
It was,
That had to be in February.
I believe it was in February, Your Honor. It was
And-
long before the defendant took possession of the unit.
So do you understand why what you just read doesn't apply for you?
Yes, because I have certain. Yes. I just don't understand why, if there's mold that's making me sick, that I've had to go to the doctor.
Do you have medical?
Yes.
Was the medical, well, okay. My goodness, look, you can't give me hearsay statements.
These are medical documents from the office visit for this mold issue, which I've emailed to.
They're hearsay.
Okay. Okay.
Your Honor, if a tenant has severe repair issues, which he claims, and mold issues, and then he refuses to let the landlord in, it just doesn't make any sense. And I maintain he's indicated that has been fixed. He had a situated violation that was dismissed when the inspector was there. I mean, I'm not sure what we're even arguing about. We would be more than happy to let this defendant vacate the premises and let him out of his lease.
If the previous, the escrow and the initial rent is given back to the court.
Well, we would obviously request him there's a plaintiff because he moved in and hasn't paid us.
How many times are you not given access to the premises based upon the repairs? Yeah,
I believe one.
sir, that's part of the problem here. And you're going to be going out of the world backwards on this because you can't say I have repair issues. Can't say they won't respond and then deny them access.
But that was the most recent time. I did not deny them access when they came back in June to fix the issue from the complaint to the city. They came to, they obviously came, said they fixed the issues and they didn't fix the issues.
Your Honor, not to litigate this right now, but we were notified, we came, we thought we fixed the issues. And then the next time when we went back, when we're told that we hadn't, even though the city didn't think there was an issue, we still went back pursuant to having trial the next day and were refused. So